fishing season, boat season, all that kind of stuff. Time to crack the old girl out from the mothballs and take her out and chase some fish. And I have a sneaky suspicion that there is something wrong with my fuel. I think that after sitting outside, I think some water has got in my gas tank. And so I'm going to share with you just an easy way to verify that. And you don't really have to have any special equipment. You've got everything you need right on your boat. So let's get to it. All right, step one is to remove the fuel line from the engine. All right, so step two is to take your tank, if it's a removable one, and get it in some kind of contraption where it's up off the ground. Put it on the tailgate of your truck, something like that, and then get some empty, clear containers. Okay, so we're gonna take our fuel line that is connected to our gas tank, or if it's just still in your boat, just take your fuel line, take the connector off, and put it down into the bucket and squeeze the bulb to get the siphon going. And then it'll just start to drain into the bucket or into your receptacle. And then you just keep doing this until all of the gas is gone from your tank. So if you've got 5 gallons of gas in your fuel tank, then you'll need 5 gallons of something that's a receptacle. So now you just wait, and as one fills up, you just pass it on to the next one. Goes without saying, but I'll say it anyway, that you need to do this outside in a well-ventilated area, which is outside, so you don't get all the gas fumes and everything. So one of the things you'll also see is that the pickup for my gas tank is towards the front, so I have chalked it up in the back so that all of the liquid would fall down to where the pickup tube inside the tank is. If you have a boat that's the tank is internal and you're doing this, just make sure the boat is on a level place. All right, looks like it's done. And so now let's put the end back in the tank and we'll look and make sure the tank is empty, and it is. And so let's see how we did. Well, I would say that we had some water in the gas tank. If you look right here, I'll show you. All right, so that was the one that we ended with. And that one's full and it looks pretty good. And the next one's full and looks pretty good. The next one's full and looks pretty good, but look at that one that we first got out. It is almost half water, and that was what was being first taken out of the fuel tank, so the boat just was not going to run on that much water. All right, that's all there is to it. To making sure that you don't have any water in your gas, obviously I did, but you can check on your boat. It works because a boat has a primer bulb on it, so it's an easy way to make a siphon. Use this way to find out if you've got any water in your gas. Get out there, have fun with your family, fish, hunt, have fun on the boat, RV, but make sure you make it to church on Sunday.